Looking at the part on my screen, it's clear that I will not be able to fully machine it in 3 axes. My objective is to minimize the number of setups needed, so I want to leverage the tool orientation capabilities available within the Geometry tab of all Fusion 360 strategies to program a series of 3+2 axis toolpaths. However, choosing the right orientation can be tricky without visualizing what could be machined in the chosen configuration. As I said, this is now much easier. When choosing the tool orientation, within the same section of the Geometry tab, you can now preview the accessibility analysis results for the picked configuration by clicking on Inspect. As an extra tip, don't forget that you can also select a tool orientation by aligning it to your current view. If you change your mind and decide to modify your tool orientation, all you need to do is click on Reset, then click on Inspect again. This can be done as many times as needed until you find the desired orientation. This improvement will drastically reduce the time spent programming your 3+2 axis toolpaths, making sure the chosen orientation is the one you are really looking for.